Okay, so now that we have a good idea about what forces are out there contributing to the tide, let's talk about not only the daily tides, but the cyclic nature of monthly tides. As you saw in that previous chart, the sizes, the heights of the tides change frequently. And the reason for that is mainly due to the location of the moon. So in this particular slide, you can see that the contribution of the gravity that's pulling the tides is lined up with the sun and the moon. So you can see down in the bottom, you can see the tide bulge from the sun is that small yellow glow, and then the tidal bulge from the moon is that gray shade, and then the total tidal bulge is the white outlined area. This is what's known as a spring tide. And a spring tide is one that is very high and very predictable. So when you see these large tides that are in the 10-foot range, that's usually on a spring tide. A spring tide happens on a new moon and a full moon, so when there's no moon to be seen, as well as when the full moon is to be seen. In both of those instances, the moon and the sun are lined up. It's just that on the new moon, the sun has the moon between it and the Earth, and on the full moon, the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth as the sun.